How to register on ScienceOpen. Visit our website and under My ScienceOpen, click on Register. Here you can fill out your data, choose your disciplines and mark yourself as an author. Once you have agreed to the terms and conditions, the registration form will redirect you to ORCID. An integration with ORCID is necessary for a full access of your privileges as a scientist on ScienceOpen. On the ORCID webpage, go on Register. Once you fill out your data, a pop-up menu will ask for authorization of connecting ORCID with ScienceOpen. Click on Authorize and you are good to go. To submit a manuscript, visit ScienceOpen and click on the Search button. Here you can explore our 800+ collections and search for the one of your likings. On the collection page, check the instructions for authors and click on the Submit a Manuscript button. You will be redirected to the selected journal submission form. Here you can add your record and all the relevant information, a translated version of your title or abstract, as well as the related keywords and disciplines. Once you have filled all the information, click on the Submit button and you are done. Get in touch with us if you have any questions and visit our About page for more information on how to publish on ScienceOpen.